drag race this thing or what?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, what's up? So since I last uploaded a video, I've actually done enough work for like 3 more videos, and I have that footage, and I guess we'll see if I ended up posting it. But I figured I would just do some work tonight and kind of time lapse it and make it something for you guys to watch. So where we are right now is last night I just put the panhard bar in, so I'm pretty excited about that. That turned out really good. So that's the frame side. And that's the rear end side. So that ended up really good. It looks cool, it works. The back end, I can let the back end down until the 4 links like a couple inches off the ground and we still clear everything. So what I'm gonna do kind of tonight is, I already cut a couple of these out. I have a couple more 1 3/4 tubes that are gonna go from the bottom 4-link bar up diagonally to about where the panhard bar is. And they're gonna be kind of tough to cope them right, just because of the difference in the bend. So I kind of came up with this idea that I printed out what the profile is, and I'm gonna wrap it around the tube. This isn't the right size tube, but wrap it around the tube and tape it on there, and then use the plasma cutter to cut the coping out. I don't know if it's gonna work. I think it's gonna work, but we'll see. So why don't we just try it out, I guess.
I need this beat right now.
All right, this basically now I have a decent fit up right there. That's what we were going for. You'll see down the bottom down there, I have a little hole drilled right there. And I have a hole drilled there, right? And so those are for the expanding gas to escape out the side of the other tube, right? So as we weld this thing solid, we want to make sure we have some place for the hot air to go. I basically just wire brushed them and put my marks back on so I know where they're gonna go. So what we're gonna do is, since they're clean, I'm gonna wire brush the tubes now. We're gonna fire the welder up and we're gonna weld them up.
I need this beat right now.
All right, so that went pretty well. I'm super excited about the way that this is all coming together in this side, because like I cheated this up as high as I could get it, right up into where the panhard bar mounts. So we have a nice triangle between these two pipes that are kind of culminating right at where that mount is. And then wherever the shock mounts, we're gonna go with another pipe, or tube, sorry, a tube across from here to here. So that's gonna make it a really, really strong sort of a K member, I guess, or sort of a cross member here, and turn it into a big triangle, so that where the anti-roll bar sits and where the panhard bar sits is gonna be super strong. So I'm really excited about that. So yeah, that's really cool. Right now, I'm gonna work on getting the anti-roll bar mounted up. It's getting kind of like, it's a little bit colder in here. I'm gonna turn on the heater, and I'm getting kind of bored, so I'm gonna play some music. So I'm not gonna be recording a video, but I'll probably stop, and instead of time-lapsing, I'm just gonna kind of work on my own here a little bit. But I'll make a little video to kind of show a little progress on that as I go. So thanks for watching. Let's keep going.